I would tell, my coworkers or, and just my, family and friends, like, yeah, I'm working with the coach to take the CHG exam. So I would refer to you in your program as, you're my coach. You're my coach to help me take the exam. But it really was kind of like a whole coaching experience, because it wasn't just like a class where like, here's your assignments. It wasn't like that. It was like a lesson learning, but also coaching and, like affirmations and things like, okay, when you go to take the exam, like, you take some time off, things like that were helpful to get your mindset ready for it too. Because a lot of it is mindset.
You're right. I am starting to think of myself as more of a coach. I think I kind of wanted to deny it for so long, but one of my students, when I first started, she actually is one of my coaches that, runs our Saturday group.
Okay.
And, she mentioned that, she came into the program because she liked the coaching aspects, to have someone that you can not just safely talk to, but bounce ideas off, but, treat you as a whole person, not just the exam or not just like the one handoff question. And that was the first time it kind of been like, oh, I need to embrace this word. It is a coaching program.